Like, why others are not joining? Only 3-4 days left. That's why. I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible, ma'am.
Yeah. Why day by day the attendance is getting decrease? Only 3 to 4 days left, and that too, like, I'm very much bothered about. We should be clear about the. In future, it will help you out to how to prepare, how to make ourselves perfect and professional. Okay, so today I have selected one topic: how to be perfect. Okay, flawless. The art of flawless. If you want a good career, so you should be flawless. Flawless means perfect. So this is the art of, if you want to become a perfect, you should have that art. So okay, this art of perfection, or we can say the art of flawless, it has two things. If you follow, if you are there on this path, like roar, your resume should roar and your speaking should star. When communication, for to make your career bright, you should have two factors. You should have strong resume, and you should have a communication skill. If you have this both things strong, so you can achieve your goals. So for communication, you should have this. You should follow the stars. If your speaking skills like stars means situation, task, action. Situation, task, action, it should be there. Okay, situation, on the situation, how you are going to take the task and action. That is a stars, and it will get a result of that situation. How you are in the situation, if you are in the situation, then how you are taking that task, and how you are handling that task, and summarize the things. Then make your resume roar. Roar means result oriented. Okay, so means whatever the task you are doing, that it should be result oriented. Okay, so today we'll have a presentation on this the art of flawless. Okay, so this is the set of your career, the art of flawless presentation and effective interviews. This is about the. So, in this seminar, you will learn effective techniques that will ensure a memorable and lasting positive impression toward the advancement of your career. The information and techniques shared will help you represent your best self during the interview and other professional development encounters. So we are moving towards a ride of your career. There you can find two factors. It help you out for your professional life. If as you have to grow professionally, for the growth of your professionalism, you have to encounter two things. You should make your resume strong by following this roar, and you should have your effective communication skill. To make your effective communication skill, you should follow stars. So learning objective: examine effective techniques to prepare for job interviews and important meetings. Identify common mistakes of rising leaders and new professionals. Explore best practices in interviews and career enhancing presentations. Explore presentation skills and techniques. Why is this so important? Why does this matter? Today the average person changes jobs 10 to 15 times during his or her career, which means a good amount of time is spent changing employment. Job searching and networking, along with staying on top of the job market, has become an integral part of every work life rather than something you do once or twice during your career. Question: on average, how much time does a recruiter spend reviewing a resume before making a decision on next steps? Less than 7 seconds. So the more time spent reviewing your resume, the stronger your chances increase for selection. Being successful in the interview can help you in many areas, such as beating out the competition, become the lead in the hiring process, obtain perks, stock options, more or less travel, work arrangements, that is, working from home, compensation, sign on bonuses, and more. Techniques and tips to prepare for job interviews. Effective techniques and tips to prepare for job interviews. Find out the logistics of the interview. Be prompt and professional. Research. Dress for success. Be organized. So once you are dressing, means you have to be dressed in that manner, like any soldier. If he is going for an war, if soldier is going for a war, so he is wearing a attire of that war. So that in that attire, in that dress, he feel like he is a warrior and he's going for war. So like that, you should keep your attire. Okay, you should keep your make your attire professional, so that you should have a feeling of professionalism. Then only you will behave like a professional. And be organized. Every professional always organized, not only for the interview. In your routine life, you should be organized. Professionalism, you can see the professionalism each and every movement. Then only you will become a professional. Effective techniques and tips to prepare for job interviews. Be honest, be positive, show your interest, know yourself. It's very much important. You should know yourself. Then, common mistakes of rising leaders and new professionals. Common mistakes of rising leaders and new professionals. These are the common mistakes: poor communication, being inauthentic, lack of patience and investment, resistant to change, failure to learn, failure to praise and reward, inability to connect other people's, inability to connect others with others, the art of flawless interviews and career enhancing presentations, crafting a powerful personal branding presence, that is resume, cover letter, and professional social profile. Master the roar, aligning your stars. You have to master the roar, aligning your stars. So speaking in stars and making your resume roar. Speaking in stars and making your resume roar. Roar like a lion. Speaking in stars and making your resume roar. Speaking in stars and making your resume roar. Speaking in stars. So what is the stars method? The stars method is a technique used in answering interview questions strategically and effectively. It is also commonly referred to or replaced with SAR or PAR. This method is one of the most effective methods in answering behavioral and non-behavioral based questions. Stars. Stars means situation, task, action, results. situation, task, action, results that you have to summarize. Get seen, get heard, get hired. So you should be recognized. If you have recognized and heard, when you are getting the opportunity to say about yourself, so means they are listening to you, means they will hire you. Get seen, how you will get seen? If you have professionalism in your, so that is get seen, get heard, get hired. Advanced virtual seminar. Master the ROAR technique, develop a powerful resume, turn your experience or skills into a highly employable, consistently sought after marketing machine. Learn and master the STARS interviewing method. Nail the interview and get the job. Social networking success. How to leverage social networking to find hidden opportunities, contracts, and position yourself as an expert in your field. Apply less, get more offers. Learn how to become recruited by employers instead of applying for job after job. Then here we have effective techniques and tips to prepare for job interviews. Dress for success, wear professional attire, be organized, carry a portfolio notepad or at the very least a manila file folder, bring extra resumes and relevant supporting material, bring a list of questions for the employer. This is most important thing. Take notes but not lose focus. You may refer to your list of questions to be sure you have gathered the information you need to make a decision. Effective techniques and tips to prepare for job interviews. Be honest. An interview gives the employer a chance to get to know you. While you do want while you do want to market yourself to the employer, answer each question with an honest response. Be positive. Never say anything negative about past experiences, employers, or courses and professors. Always think of something positive about an experience and talk about that. You should also be enthusiastic. If you are genuinely interested in the job, let the interviewer know that. Show your interest, be enthusiastic, be clear to show your interest, but be aware of overdoing it. Know yourself, take time to review and recall your experiences. Remain authentic to your interests and present only the most accurate, relevant information. Then, question and answer, they will ask you. So, be prepared for the question and answer from the panel. So this is about the how you have to prepare. Be honest, be positive, and show interest. So for that you have to prepare. When you will get interest, how you will show the interest? If you know about the company, about the job description, then only you can show the interest. And know yourself what you want. Be specific. So this is about the flawless things. You have to be like this, then only you can achieve your goal. Okay, flawless interviews and career enhancing presentations. This is about just, we'll discuss on this. All of you share your views one by one. This is very much important to get the inspiration. We'll get inspiration by reading this, by knowing this. Okay. So Muhammad Faraz Khan, please come up with your views. Muhammad Amjad. Common mistakes of rising leaders and new professionals: poor communication, being inauthentic, lack of patience and investment, resistant to change, failure to learn, failure to praise and reward, inability to connect with others. So these are the 4 points, most important thing, how to prepare for your job interviews. Be honest, positive, show your interest, know yourself. So let us start your views. Very quickly, we'll discuss the things. We have to cover this. And tomorrow, because we are left with 3 to 4 days, I think so. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 3 days left. Very quickly go through this. We'll discuss. If we discuss, we will have in your mind, back of the mind. And here, software engineering. You heard about in your engineering, you heard about the software engineering as in your engineering curriculum. uh, a subject is there, software engineering. So in this software engineering, so many certifications are there. So why we want to do this? If you are going for the software engineering thing, means SDLC, software development life cycle. So in this we have a career in this also. Okay, get your first job, differentiate yourself, get promoted. Why get certified? Certification, IT sector, IT industry, they are recruiting the people, those who are having certification. So if you have certification, you will get very soon you will get promotion. So you can, here we have number of professionals, and you are identified because you have certification, and very quickly you will get promotion also. You are hired and you are differentiated with others, and you will get promoted. So why software engineering certification required? Okay, the software engineering expertise provides strong foundation for IT career. Software engineering expertise provides strong foundation for IT career. Technologies get outdated really fast, so our technology certifications required. Exceptional software engineering skills can fetch you a high paying job. Then this certification will provided by the Institute of Electrical Engineer, like Electronics and Electrical Engineering certification. Okay, creators of software, SW, software engineering body, knowledge of knowledge, world's largest professional association, IEEE Computer Society, vendor neutral. Then why, what, and how we have to do. So this is the software engineering knowledge organization, a guide to generally accepted principles and knowledge about software engineering, intended for use in curriculum developments, soft employee skills assessment, continuing education, and professional development. Identifies knowledge areas which cover the core knowledge of what is known about SE, software engineering body of knowledge. So here we have software engineering certified instructor certifications, so certified software development master, certified software development professional, certified software development associate, then software engineering book of knowledge, that is this is about the yet to be launched for software professionals with 4 years of experience, certified software development professional. And for 2+ associate is there. For development professionals, 4 years of experience, and this one associate, 2 years of experience. And for the students, SWEBOK for the knowledge. Here, knowledge area are software requirement, design, construction, testing, maintenance, configuration management, engineering process, engineering methods, quality, software engineering professional practice. So these are the things under software. The software development module, software life cycle, management module. This is about the development module. This is about the life cycle module. And this is about the professional practice module. And this is software foundation, computing, mathematical and engineering foundation. So this is about the software engineering. To be familiar with the software engineering, that is why I have selected this topic. Okay, any query like you want to discuss your views, please come up with your views.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi barakatuh.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I want to speak something about this software engineering.
Okay, fine. I thought
Yes, ma'am.
that you are not interested, most of them, because it's very
Yes, ma'am.
dry and you have familiar with this or not. That's why I've dropped. Okay, I will start the.
No, yes, ma'am. Just some points I got in the mind about the software
Okay,
engineering.
okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Discuss, please.
Yes, ma'am. Since now, ma'am, software engineering, if you talk about specifically, uh, first of all, the things that comes to our mind is like software engineering is specific to computer science engineering or information technology, the related things. But when we look at the various real and real time roles, and the various different divisions that are using the compute applications, so we will come to know that each and every branch of like engineering studies and even finance and marketing, even you take example of pharmaceutical companies, you energy and development companies, so they have their dedicated softwares that are being developed. Like you can you might have came across the term called as RPA, robotic process automation. So it is all this so
Yes.
with this help of software engineering, so with this
Yeah.
robotic process automation, they are able to do all this manufacturing work, the manufacturing daily life cycle, whatever they have. They are able to make a simulation software, and then they are able to install that on the devices. So now when we talk about the software engineering, so it has become a very diversified domain right now. Like now, so you can get a software engineering in like in mechanical software tools and softwares used in mechanical engineering, likewise in civil engineering, likewise in electrical engineering. Likewise, you can
Yes.
go on and on. You can get a huge even you have got softwares that are used in literature and arts and geology and archaeology and astronomy, like whole lot of. So depending upon the individual interest. So but
Yes.
specifically the people who are actually designing and developing, so
Yes. Yes.
those people are the ones who has got a like a cutthroat knowledge of this software development, and along
Yes.
with that they have
And
got a good
software
touch. Yes, yes,
testing tools are there for
yes,
testing the software.
yes, ma'am.
So it's a different part.
Yes, ma'am.
So to using that tools, they will test the software.
Yes,
Once
ma'am.
they have developed the software, they have to go through the modules.
Yes, ma'am.
Test, they have to configure,
Yes, ma'am.
design,
Like
everything.
just now in
SDLC.
our previous class, one of the participant has asked a doubt about big data. What is actually a big data? Is big data what?
Achha.
So sir said big data is actually a problem statement. It's not actually a domain. So big data they came across the sir has answered like this. He said that the big data is actually like these think tanks and innovators and developers, they have sit together thinking that each and all of our computing devices, whether you take an example of our laptops or like smartphones or all the gadgets that we are using these days, like they generate a huge amounts of data. So the
Yes, yes.
think tank sit and they thought how like how if we go on saving this data, then what is the use of it? can we use this data effectively to do some metrics, to do some kind of like intelligence work? So
Mm-hmm.
with that problem statement, they came up with this term called as big data. And he said that because of this big data, we came up with like artificial intelligence and machine learning and data analytics, data scientists. Then they come up that like in order to make sure that that data what is being procured right from the childhood till a person is dead, so they are making a like a replica of a human being. They are mind mapping a human being, they are making their behavior. So with that they want to have a some sort of simulation. Like ma'am, we can even take an example of this virus, even COVID virus. There was a prediction, like, I think you have also came across this news item somewhere. There was a movie that came up some time before. That movie has depicted the same kind of scenario that the world has gone through because of this COVID. And like Microsoft in their a lot of lectures before, they came up with some of the simulation that because of the habits, eating habits, and our sedentary lifestyle, it's a big tendency that
Yes,
human
yes.
beings will encounter these sort of pandemics and epidemic
Mm-hmm.
viruses. So they made a simulation. This Microsoft guys, they made a simulation. In that simulation, they said the world now has to make themselves equipped with this not this this wards, physical wards, but the wards of this with this viruses.
Biological war.
Yeah, biological war, yes, exactly ma'am. So the world has to be ready for this biological war. So it's not only about this COVID, but there is a whole lot of other pandemics also that are going around, but it has
Because
made.
of this junk food, humanity is there, immunity not there.
Yes ma'am.
Junk food, everyone is used to, they are very busy with their life,
Yes ma'am.
the tight schedule. So immunity, human beings immunities are
Definitely.
decreasing the day by
थैंक
day
यू, सुबह से
because of
देखिए
this junk
थोड़ी सी
food
चाहे
and
दूध वाली वो दियो भाई,
preservatives
चक्कर
food.
वाली दो आप.
Yes, yes.
Sorry, ma'am. And because of this because of this like ma'am, each and every time, always whenever we get a problem with the world, so we
Yes,
usually come across some solution. So
yes,
it always says because of some problem, some new innovation comes up, and we come up with some new idea. Like you can see, because of the COVID, now people have become health freak. They are become fitness freak. Like they are like they are concentrating on their health and on the food that they are eating. Like they are following some healthy habits.
yes,
So
yes.
in that way, this pandemic in one way has made the focus of the humans towards focusing on what they are actually doing, how they are spending their 24 hours. So they are only like busy in their work or job, or are they looking at their health and their food.
Yes.
So with that ma'am, so each and every problem, like this actually talk came from the software development. So all of this ma'am, it comes of from the software development cycle. If you look at that, we have been discussing
Yes,
all
yes.
this
Development
problems
means you
comes.
have to take care of each and everything
Yes ma'am.
module. Okay, it's a part of
Yes.
the development means it has to go through the process. Development means it has to go through the process. It is the process of requirement, designing, constructing, testing,
Yes.
maintenance, configuration.
Configuration. Yes
Even
ma'am.
in WS, you are configuring. Okay,
Yes ma'am, AWS
configuring
also.
the server also. So these are the part of the process of
Yes ma'am.
development,
Yes
isn't
ma'am.
it?
Yes ma'am, exactly.
Or cooking also is
Yes.
one of the daily process.
Yes
It
ma'am.
has to go
What you said ma'am just now?
it is the process. If you want to have a healthy food, the
Yes ma'am.
cooking is the one of the process to get the healthy food.
Yes ma'am. Yes, definitely.
Okay, requirement, designing, and configuring. So this is the engineering part. Okay, basic
Yes.
daily routine. So
Yes
daily
ma'am.
we are preparing, and for our health we are taking that. We are
Yes ma'am.
developing the food to get
Yes ma'am.
a
Yes ma'am.
healthy food.
Yes ma'am. That also we can take an example. Like web the all these days, lot of if you see on social media, a lot of these fitness trainers have come up saying that what we actually eat is not a food. but it is actually a junk. So you have to eat superfoods, you have to eat healthy foods, you have to eat proteins, and then the things goes good.
Yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if he is giving
Yes, ma'am.
something like just like pandemic, so means Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given with that some solution also.
Yes, ma'am. Solution also. Yes,
You can
definitely, ma'am.
find out in the on the earth itself
Yes,
by
exactly.
taking vegetables. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has covered all the earth, okay? Taking vegetables and everything, in that you can find the solution for that
Yes, ma'am.
pandemic, whatever
Yes,
the
ma'am.
every 100 years they will come.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
a cycle, we can
Yes,
say
ma'am.
that.
It's a legacy that's continuing. Like this time, a lot of articles we came across and the news articles that talks about the various pandemics that occurs once in 100 years. So
Yeah.
it's like exactly before 2020. In
Yes,
1920 we had,
1920.
yes, ma'am. Exactly 1919, 1920 we had something very related. Likewise, 3, 4 years before, 100 years before, the people have covered. Now coming to the first topic, ma'am, that we have discussed, it was about the roar and
Yes,
that one
stars.
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 So it's actually it comes with the human, how we actually react to the situations and how we actually perform. So from our all of our beginning sessions, we have been discussing how effectively we can prepare. So starts is again we can take this as a problem solving technique, ma'am. Like
Yes.
whenever we get a problem, we should not think that as a problem. We should think of the, like just now we have discussed about this small big data example.
Mhm.
So
Yes. Yes.
again, this think starts like think tanks has set on and analyzed that with perspective to all of these points that we had in stars. Then they came up with the technology of big data, Hadoop, and
Mhm.
then they
Mhm.
have got with the various all these things. That is what is data analytics and data scientists, and then how they are actually using and analyzing the data for the, in order to make some useful resource out of that. Then talking about this result oriented and relevant, again these things comes with our smart goal, smart, that we have been discussing,
Yes.
smart, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. So again,
Time.
this roar is actually comes under the subset of our smart technique,
Mhm.
wherein our interview preparation with perspective to our technical stuff, with our CV, as we have been discussing, ma'am, we have to be honest. We
Yes.
have to
Yes.
be honest, and we have to,
Interest also. You should
yes,
have interest. Be
yes, ma'am.
honest.
We
Interest.
there are call utai.
Positive with yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So this is what, ma'am, we like with all our sessions from the beginning, and this key, very key and essential points. We come to the conclusion that there are some interview pre checklist that we have to look at. That's very important. Then we have to carry the professional attitude. Now we have to follow the interview ethics.
Mhm.
We
Yes.
have to prepare ourselves very fine on introduce ourselves. We have to be ready with the researching on the company, like some our job roles and descriptions and various divisions, and we have to be ready with a few questions that we can ask in handy. We have to keep it,
Yes.
that will be relevant to the job profile that we are actually applying. And we
Yes.
have to speak very confident, we have to speak very
Mhm.
effective, and we have to make sure that we should try to keep ourselves different from all the other candidates. That we can only do when we do a
Mhm.
proper preparation, proper homework, with perspective to all of the things that we have been discussing. Ma'am, confidence only comes to an individual when he actually practice, when he actually gets a good grip.
Yes.
So we talk of
Mhm.
confidence and effectiveness. It can never come when we don't practice, and when we don't get the required things for that, when we don't do a proper homework for that. So for that, it's highly essential that we have to do a proper homework. We have to go with the proper homework. We have to make sure that whatever
Yeah.
things we are putting on a CV, we have to be in a position to justify that. We have to be in a position to speak on that, and we have to make sure if we are an experienced guy, we have to talk very good about our previous organization. We have to show the stability, and we have also discussed about some tricky interview questions that we can quickly go through them. So if we encounter any such questions, what how will you will be an asset for a company, what kind of advantage the company gets if they hire you. Likewise, there are some tricky questions. So at least some of those tricky questions we have to look into, and then we have to prepare and we have to go accordingly. So these are some of the like key things that we have to keep in mind when we are going for an interview match. This is the thing.
Yeah, it's very true. Yes, please, others, Mr. Muhammad Amjad and Mr. Akram, just go through the what are the points we have to take care if you are going for an interview. So be organized, be honest, be positive, show your interest, know yourself, and prepare your resume roar. Okay, making your resume roar and speaking in stars. These are the points you should remember, then only you can go through the interview. So what are the points related to interview? Please, one by one, just discuss the things.
Like ma'am,
Dress for
like which
success.
type of
First
point?
point is
Okay.
dress for success. Means you want to get a you want to go through the interview. So in that dress, it's a warrior is going for the war, like that. Means Roger is wearing the like a warrior. Okay, so dress for success. Be organized means taking the things with you in organized form. Be honest, be positive, show your interest, know yourself. Please read this.
Be honest. Uh, okay.
No, no,
Just for
first dress
success.
for success.
Okay.
Wear professional
First,
attire.
just for success. Wear professional attire. Women should avoid wearing too much jewelry and makeup. Women should avoid she and wearing too much uh, collagen. What does it mean, ma'am? Collagen.
Like
White
too
a
much
shoot. While a
will
college.
perfume like body spray like that. Too much.
Okay, okay. Okay, too much college. Uh, so while a shoot is the standard interview attire in a business environment, if you think it is an informal environment,
It is
call before and ask regard informal environment, call before or and ask. Regardless, you can never be overdressed. If you are wearing a tailor suit, it is also important that you feel comfortable.
dress up and ask others. Others can judge you. Okay,
Yes.
you should take a suggestion from others also. It is suitable for me to wear this. Okay, take the suggestions from others.
Be
If
organized.
you think it is an informal environment, call before and ask. Means you have to make a call and ask informal environment. So that is why you just go through the culture of the company.
Hello.
Read out from get seen, get heard, get hired.
Get seen, get hired.
No,
Advance,
get heard. Get seen,
get heard.
heard,
Get seen,
hired.
get heard, get hired. Get
If
heard.
you are wearing a professional attire, so they
Yes.
will recognize you. Get seen. Then get heard. Okay, heard
Get heard.
means you are saying about, you got the opportunity to tell about yourself. Means you have to do your marketing about you. So
Get
if they
hired.
heard from you, then definitely they will hire you. So get seen, it is interrelated, these three things. Seen, heard, hired. Seen, heard, hired.
Seen, heard, hired. Get seen, ma'am.
So you have to master the roar technique. Ji? Yes.
Again,
Seen
again, can
means
you
you
repeat
should
it?
wear a professional attire. Get seen, get hired, get hired. Seen means seen, heard, hired are three things are interrelated with each other. Means you have to make your attire in a very professional way. They will recognize you. Means you are giving an impression by your professionalism, by your attire. By your attire, you are given a impact that you have professionalism. Then heard, they are giving you the opportunity to tell about yourself. So they are hearing. So you have to sell, do the marketing about yourself. So they will heard from you. What are the skills you have? What are the qualities you have? What are the achievements you have? Based on that, they will hire you. Seen, heard, hired. So make, you should have confidence and professionalism in your personality, and while talking also. Starts speaking in starts means situation, task. What is that? Situation, task, action, results. On the based on the situation, okay, you are going for the first time, you are meeting a person, interviewer is the stranger for you. So if anything, they will ask you. So in that situation, you got the task. The interviewer will give you the task. He will ask anything. So what are the actions you will give to the interviewer? If he ask any question that is not like, how you will react to that, that is your action. Based on your action, results will come. Okay, based on your actions, results will come. So while speaking, you should be follow these stars, seeing and speaking in stars. So if you means if you have a presentable attire, professionalism is there in your attire, in seeing, so you will become a star. And while speaking also, you are taking care of these things: situation, task, action, results. If interviewer will give a scenario, customer, okay, and how you will handle this co-worker, that is a typical one. So it will give you the situations, how you will handle the situation. That is a stars. How you will react to the situation, that is a star. Situation, task, action, results, summarize. And you have to prepare your resume, master the roar technique. Roar is result. Prepare your resume strong so that you will get result. Okay, result oriented, and what is that? Result oriented and relevant. Whatever the information you have provided in your resume, that it should be relevant. If you are not given the relevant information, if when he will ask you, then if he finds that that is not relevant, what impression it will give? Okay, so that time only they will reject. So that you should be sure that in your resume, whatever you are keeping, that it should be relevant, then only you'll get the results. If you have relevant information provided in the resume, then you will get, definitely you will get the results. Okay, can I hear from your side one by one? Mr. Akram, can you say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Master Advanced Virtual Seminar.
Okay.
Master the role technique. Develop a powerful resume. Turn your experience skills into a highly employable consistency out
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute.
after
Oblique,
marketing.
1 minute. Oblique means experience or skills. Oblique means or. If you have
Or
experience or you have skills to become a highly employable. Okay, so means whatever the skills, experiences you are kept in your resume, it is making you a powerful employee. Okay, so that is why
yes,
I'm making you to read so that it will give a impression in your mind about the words. See and read. Okay, simply don't read, keep a impression in your mind about the words. Get seen, get heard, get hired. So how you are going to be into this process? So you have to prepare yourself. If you want to be recognized, if you want to be seen, so you should develop your professionalism. If you want to be heard, if you have in your speaking, if you have a modulation in your speaking, if you have modulation and the clear communication, means they will heard you, they will hear you, then automatically these two factors make them to hire you. Okay, understood? Okay, so if you understood, you will concentrate on these factors. That is why I am concentrating, I am repeating, so that it is very important, these factors. Okay, continue with this. Master the roar technique.
may I come and continue, ma'am?
Yes?
Master the row technique.
Yeah. Continue with that.
Okay, master the row technique. Develop a powerful resume. Turn your experience or skills into a highly employable consistency throughout after marketing machine. Learn and master the stars interviewing method. Nail the interviewer and get the job.
No, nail the interview means you are going through the interview and you are getting the job. If you have master, if you have learned about and master the stars, if you are following this method, then only you can go through the interview and get the job. Then social networking success.
Yes, social networking success. How to leverage social networking to find hidden opportunity, contracts, and position yourself as an expert in your field.
Field.
Apply less, get more offers. Learn how to become
Hmm.
recruited by employer
Yes.
instead of applying for the job after job. What does it mean? Learn how to become a
Hmm.
recruited by the employers.
Got acha. Means yes. Means learn how to become recruited by employers instead of applying for job after job. Means don't simply applying for the job on different portals. Okay, learn how to become recruited. Means make yourself, prepare yourself so that the employer will recruit you. Okay, instead of applying for job after job, applying on different portals, applying, and you're not concentrating, you're just concentrating on applying, but you just identify yourself where you are doing mistakes, identify the mistakes and correct it, then only employer will recruit you. So for that you should follow this. Okay, if you want effective techniques and tips to prepare for job interviews, first is dress for success. Second one is
Be organized.
be organized. Means you have to, if you want to go through the interview, what you have to do initially?
Dress for success.
Yes,
Wear
good.
a professional attire.
Yes, good. Next point.
Be organized. Carry a portfolio, notebook, or at the
Yes,
very
yes, yes.
least in manual.
Okay, yes. And take notes, but don't lose focus. Yes.
Yes.
And what
Okay.
else? What is important in this? Be organized in this. Bring a list of
Mm,
questions for the employer.
yes. Bring
What it
extra
shows that you
resume.
are interested. This shows that your interest. Okay, what you have to prepare? What you have to prepare?
Be extra resume and relevant supporting material.
No. Important thing is list of
Bring a
questions
list
for
of the
the
questions for
employer.
the employers. Yes.
Yes,
Bring
this
a
is most important thing.
link.
And you may refer to a list of questions to be sure you have gathered the information you need to make a decision. And you have to get the information to make a decision. Okay. You have to take the feedback. If you have given interview, you have to take the feedback. Ask them how much time you will take to get the feedback. How much, like after a week can I call you, keep in touch to know about like that. So if you are taking the feedback, means you are identifying your mistake, then you are trying to correct it, then you are going to correct it. Okay. So next point is next point.
Take notes. Be honest.
Be
Be positive.
honest. Be
Be
honest
honest.
means in what sense?
Mm, it gives the employers a chance to get to know you. Yes, interviewer gives the employers a chance to get to know you.
Hmm.
Uh, why do you do not
Means you are
do
giving
want to
whatever you
market?
are saying means to the interviewer. Okay, means he want to know about you because he is going to hire you. For that you he wants to know about you. So you should be
Yes,
honest whatever you are saying, that it should be correct only. Okay, be sure like that. While you do want to market yourself to the employer, ask each question with an honest response. The next point, be
be positive.
yes.
Never say anything negative about past experiences.
Hmm.
Employers as courses and
Yes.
professions. Always think of the something
Hmm.
positive about the experience and the talk about that. You should be enthusiastic. Be positive. If you are genuinely interested in the job,
Hmm.
let the interviewer
Hmm.
know that. Let the interviewer
Yes.
know that. Show
Hmm.
your interest. Be enthusiastic. Be clear to show your interest, but
Yes.
be aware of overdoing it. Overdoing, what does it mean by
Overdoing,
overdoing?
but be aware of overdoing means be natural. Don't do like I want really over smartness. Overdoing it means show interest, normal interest, that I am very much but don't show that over, don't do the over things. Okay, be
Okay. Know
balance,
yourself.
that I have
Okay.
interest, I'm looking for good opportunity like that. And know yourself.
Okay. Take time to review and recall your experiences. Remain authentic to your interests and present only the most accurate, relevant information.
Hmm. Know yourself means identify yourself with how fit you are in your skills. So like that you have to take time to review and recall your experiences. Based on that, you have to prove yourself and remain authentic. Authentic means you are very genuine and you are very true that I am very capable for this job profile. you are perfect for that job profile. You are getting that, and now you have the knowledge to perform that task. Muhammad Amjad, you want to say, you want to share your views on this stars? Roar. Here, common mistakes. These are the common mistakes. Let us will discuss on common mistakes very quickly.
Yes, ma'am. Common mistakes, like on this slide, the common mistakes are of leaders and professionals.
Hmm.
But when we are going to an interview, the common mistake is that we come across is first of all, we have to be punctual, ma'am. That is the main. We have to be punctual. So if we are not punctual, then we in the first impression itself we are struck down. Then we
Yes.
have to whatever the checklist is being asked by the employer, we have to go along with that checklist.
Mhm.
They might be at
No, like
when they
you are preparing for interview means you are the leaders of rising leaders and new professionals. Okay. So if you are
yes ma'am, yes
preparing
ma'am,
for the interview means keep in mind that if you have this type of factors you have, so to overcome
yes
this,
ma'am,
okay,
yes ma'am,
failure to
definitely,
learn. This is the main
yes
important
ma'am,
thing. So
yes
what
ma'am,
if you are failure to learn, you will change your path. That is why in future rising leaders you will not become, you will not be in a new profession. And
yes ma'am.
inability to connect
Inability to connect, that's what very important.
with others, and failure to
Like
praise and reward. You have failed. Don't feel, don't be on others.
yes
Okay,
ma'am,
if
failure
you
to
have
praise,
failure to praise and reward, failure to learn, resistant to
resistant to
change.
change. Yes ma'am,
So
we have to
you
be
don't
we
want to
are
change, that is why
we
you are
have to,
not going for
yes
learning.
ma'am, like that is what we have to go out from our comfort zone. That is what
Yes.
stays. So
Hmm.
then
And
lack
lack
of
of
patience.
patience.
Yes ma'am, in order to learn something, we are learning a technology or learning something,
Hmm.
so it takes time, and at time it takes investment to take a
Hmm.
certification
Hmm.
or to learn the technology. But you know, it has been a big kind of situation for all of us. Like whenever we we invest for ourselves, and we invest for like non-useful things, but when it comes for the investment for learning and developing ourselves, we take a back step at that point of time.
Yeah.
So that is
And
what is talks about lack of patience and investment.
yeah.
And being inauthentic is, ma'am, like we should not be hearsing the people. Like people will be saying it's very easy, you can go ahead, just go confidently, there is
Yeah. No,
nothing
no,
called
like
as interview
if you
preparation.
don't, no, no, if you are not learning, means you don't have
Yes
any
ma'am,
knowledge, means
yes
inauthentic.
ma'am, yeah, we are
You don't have
inauthentic. Yes, there's
authentication,
that.
you don't know about
Yes
the
ma'am,
subject, means
yes ma'am, we are
inauthentic.
not authentic. That means we have not studied from a proper resource,
Yeah.
or we don't
Yeah.
have hands on on the things that we have put on our CV. So that is
uh,
being unauthentic. And the
yes.
poor communication comes
Then
up
you,
with when we lack of words, when we don't have
yes,
when we are
not
unable to
able to
prep
communicate the things, you don't
things
want to
properly.
communicate, you don't want to say anything, just keep in your mind and within yourself.
Yes
You're getting the opportunity, also you got the opportunity to say, but you don't want to say. That is a poor communication. If you're not understanding, if you're not getting the concept, so you can ask, you have the liberty to ask. So that is a poor communication. You are going through the course and not asking anything about the subject, means you are not communicating with the people. Unless and until problem solving, the problem will resolve based on your communication only. If you want to resolve your problem, you have to communicate. Then the problem will remain only like that if you are not communicating properly, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. True, ma'am.
So this is about the common mistake. So we are not
Yes, ma'am.
making ourselves to become a professional.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't want any new things. You don't want to become a leader. We say that for these children are going to be a rising
The rising
leaders.
leaders, future leaders. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Yes, rising leaders. Today's children, they are rising leaders in
Leaders. Yes, ma'am.
future. So that
Yes.
is why we should keep in our mind that we should treat them. We in Islam also, Allah
Yes,
subhanahu
ma'am.
wa ta'ala feel happy when one person behave well with other person. That is one of the ibadat only.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am. Exactly. And ma'am,
So that is very much. So this is the professionalism
yes,
in.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And the last is the important point. When we know the points to fail, when we know the points not to do, that is where we can actually get successful. So first of all, when we are practicing for an interview, so we have to look at how to fail an interview the best possible way. How to fail in an interview,
Mhm.
or how
Yes.
to not get selected in an interview. So you look at the various ways you don't get selected. This is 1 2 3 4, you'll get 3 4 points. So
Yes.
if you go with those 3 4 points, so definitely you don't get selected. So that is also one of the reverse process way
Yeah.
you can go ahead. So it is also one of the way. So whenever we try to do something, think that what if this work goes bad or things goes bad, and come in the reverse way. In that way also you'll get the solutions for the work, like you know
Yeah.
all our preparations, tips and technique, like how to fail in an interview. Therein you get a point. I should not do this thing, otherwise I'll fail. I should not do this thing, otherwise I fail. So in that way also it helps a lot, man.
Yeah.
This
Yes. Yes.
reverse process.
Yes. Then failure to praise and reward. If we fail to praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so what reward will get? We'll get a reward of Jannah, hell.
Yes, ma'am.
So like that we can connect. So praising is very much important. Even for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He has given us so many things. So we should praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give us reward in different ways. So like this, we should praise others also around us, whoever is there, we should praise, and we'll get reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and from others also.
Yes, ma'am.
So we should, so failure to praise and reward. If we are failing to making the people praise, why should praise that? Praise that means, praising means what are the qualities they have. If we agree with that, means that is a praise to them. Okay, and reward will, they will reward us with respect. Respect is the one of the reward, we can say that, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Respect, most important thing is respect. That is a reward for our praises. That is very much important. So professionalism deals with these qualities, praise, reward, like this only. There in companies, they are giving rewards on project based. If they have done the project, so they will, means giving the rewards means praise for his work. That is a recognition, isn't it? And like
Yes,
this
ma'am.
we are connecting with others also. If you praise, people will connect, isn't it? If you want connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you have to praise Allah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So these are
Yes, ma'am.
very interconnected with each other, these facts. So anybody want to say, please share your views. Mr. Muhammad Amjad, Mr. Akram, Mr. Muhammad Amjad, just one, two lines.
Ma'am, I'm right now. I'm outside the class. That's why I'm outside.
Okay. Okay, fine. Mr. Amjad, you want to say? Mr. Usman, any conclusion on this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Like the best possible way, ma'am. Of all our classes that we have been going through. So at least in our notepad or in our book, we have to make sure that these are the points that we have to look into. We have to prepare a perfect introduction. That is the first and the foremost thing. Then we have to prepare a perfect CV with all the technologies that we have been learning all these days. Then we have to go with some of the tricky interview questions. We have to do research on job description. We have to research on like questions to be asked for an interviewer, and we have to practice ourselves. We can make in front of the mirror, or we can record ourselves in an audio, wherein we'll come to know there are a lot of online recording tools. You can use that, and you can analyze ourselves, like are we giving a perfect introduction, or there are hiccups what we are speaking. So that is the best possible way. If we can analyze ourselves, see, ma'am, whenever we are going for an interview or any role, so their individual also knows like how much capable he or an individual is, like with his preparation, with his homework, and with his dedication. It's like we are the best judge for ourselves. We'll come to know where we stand. So, and then these are certain things with this some positive mindset, and with the good attitude. If we go, inshallah, it's very obvious that will take time, but we'll inshallah get a very good result. So these are
Inshallah.
some of the
So,
key steps and things that has to be kept in mind, and we have to go in that way.
yes, yes. Jazakallah for your conclusion. Inshallah,
Yes, ma'am.
we'll keep the things in our doc files also,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Google,
Inshallah, ma'am. Yes,
Google
ma'am.
Docs, so
Yes, ma'am.
that anywhere you are, you can access and
Yes,
go
ma'am.
through the
Yes,
points.
ma'am. Even with our YouTube videos are there, no, ma'am. Like
Yeah, yeah,
if there is any such thing, even with that, we can include
yeah,
the
yeah. Yeah.
description, like this topic, just like a reference. In
Yes,
usually
yes.
in the books we have a reference. So in that
Yeah,
way also it can be a handy. So
yeah,
if we come
yeah.
across or say this, yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So it's a
Thank you
reminder
very
for
much,
us.
ma'am.
These are the classes. You
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
go through this. So
Yes, ma'am.
it is a reminder. We have to be in the reminder only. So it will be there in our back of the mind. Whenever we'll got the situation, we get the situation, we should make use of these things like stars, roar, smart, and whatever the concepts, whatever the facts we have come across, we should follow that. Then only we can incult this professionalism if we follow this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, jazakallah.
Thank you very much,
Inshallah
ma'am.
tomorrow we'll have a class. Okay, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.